Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Mata Education. Today we are going to discuss about first chapter in 10th standard social studies, that is the advent of Europeans to India. So first of all, let us discuss about what are the points we are going to discuss in the lesson. First one is trade and commerce relationship between India and Europe. Next, fall of Constantinople city. Next, third one, discovery of new sea routes. And fourth one, Europe, which are the European trading companies arrived to India. Next, the major Carnatic wars between English and French. And next, Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar. So these are the points we are going to discuss. So let us start from trade and commerce relationship between India and Europe. So since from ancient time we are having trade and commerce relationship with Europe. So the Indian goods like cardamom, pepper, ginger has created great demand in Europe. This trade and commerce relationship continued till the Middle Ages. Here, the Arab merchants brought the Asian merchants into Constantinople city. Next, the Italian merchants could purchase the goods from Constantinople city and the goods could sell in European countries. Okay, so because of this reason, the Constantinople city known as the center for international trade and also gate of European trade. Gate of European trade. So present Constantinople city is known as Istanbul. Istanbul. Okay. Next. So here Arab merchants got a trade monopoly or monopoly over the trade in India. Next, Italian merchants got a monopoly in Europe. So this is the trade and commerce relationship between India and Europe. Fall of Constantinople city. So the trade and commerce relationship was taking place through the Constantinople city between India and Europe. So in the year of 1453, Ottoman Turks captured the city Constantinople. So the trade was under control by Turkish. So they started to impose more tax on the goods which we used to transport from Europe to India and India to Europe. So this was not profitable for the merchants. So that's why along with this, the Spain and Portuguese want to break the trade monopoly of Italy. So that's why they started to find the new sea route for India. So in this, along with this, new inventions like gunpowder, mariner compass, astronomer, this made the sailors to make or to do discovery of new sea route made easy for them. 1498, Vasco da Gama has found new sea route from Europe to India, and this route was became the main trade route for India and Europe. So in the year of 1869, one important huge canal has been constructed by Egypt, that is Suez Canal. So Suez Canal connects between Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. So before construction of the Suez Canal, the trade was taking place through the route which was discovered by Vasco da Gama. So here actually the distance from Bombay to London, the distance from Bombay to London was 10,800 nautical miles. And after discovering the Suez Canal, the distance has been reduced to 6,200 nautical miles. 1 nautical mile equals to 1.85 kilometers. Means half of the distance has been reduced. So most of the traders has started to follow, or they started to do trading through the Suez Canal. The European countries which have arrived for India to do trading. So here first one is Portuguese. So Portuguese were the first to enter in India and as well as last to leave India by sea route. So after Vasco da Gama, Francisco de Almeida has arrived as the Viceroy of India and he implemented Blue Water Policy. So this is very important. One more question for 10th standard. What is Blue Water Policy? So definition for Blue Water Policy is establishment of supremacy over sea instead of land. So this is the definition of Blue Water Policy. So after Francisco de Almeida, Alfonso de Albuquerque was a real founder of Portuguese in India against Sultan of Bijapur. In 1510 he won Goa and Goa became the main administrative center for Portuguese. Nearly century, means nearly 100 years they was doing trading through Goa. The capital city of Portuguese is Goa in India. So after 100 years, with the arrival of other European countries like Dutch, French, English, the trade monopoly of Portuguese has declined. Dutch are from Netherlands or Holland. Dutch East India Company established in the year of 1602, and actually the main intention of arrival of Dutch East India Company was to do trading with the eastern countries. So which are the eastern countries? India, Indonesia, Java, Sumatra. So these are the eastern countries they want to do trading, but they have limited only for Indonesia and islands. They entered in India, but they could not continue in India because of French, Portuguese and English. Next. English. So in December 31st, 1600, the British East India Company or English East India Company has established in India. Queen Elizabeth has given a royal charter for English company to establish the trading relation with India. And the first trading they started to do business from 1613 in India. Sir Thomas Roy has arrived as the royal ambassador for the court of Jahangir, from the court of James I, and he sought the permission for the English company to establish the trading centers in India. Okay, so here the Jahangir has given permission for the English East India Company to do trading. In the year of 1639, English has took Madras from the English took Madras from the king of Chandragiri and established a strong fort can be referred as Saint George Fort. Saint George Fort established by British East India Company in 1639 and 1690 English has purchased 3 villages. One is Sutunati, Kalakata, Govindapura. So these are the 3 villages purchased by English East India Company in Bengal. And among these 3, Kalakata, that is present we are calling Kolkata, it became a major trading center and they have constructed one huge fort in Kolkata. So by the year of 17th century, the English East India Company made 3 presidencies in India. One is Bombay and Madras and third one is Kolkata. So these are the 3 presidencies of English East India Company in India. So it has continued till the 18th century and as well as 19th century also. Next, French. The French East India Company established in the year of 1664 and the first factory of French East India Company established in 1668. Here the French East India Company has took one village, Muslim leader, that is Vali Kandapuram. Present it is known as Pondicherry or Puducherry. So here the Puducherry has become the main capital city for French East India Company. So here Dupleix as the Governor General, aim of establishment of supremacy in southern part of India. This led to the rivalries between English and French that can be referred as 3 Carnatic Wars. So in this the 3 Carnatic Wars took place between French and English East India Company. But here the Portuguese and Dutch, these 2 are permitted only for islands because they could not face the competition between English and French. So that's why they have permitted only for islands.